Orange cats are known to be extra chaotic compared to other cats, and this one is no exception. Initially attempting to shake the baby's foot, it then chose to show some love to the baby, leading to a surprising reaction. As they say, an orange cat will always be an orange cat. Felines are known for not backing down in an argument, but in this unique showdown between a cat and a duck, we witnessed the power of cat's paws. Surprisingly, the duck emerges victorious, taking the win home with a power move using its wings. It's a cute moment that shows how chill yet classy cats can be, and all that's missing is a little cushion to lean on. Well, looks like we all know who the favorite child is. Did you know that cats are known for their clever problem-solving skills and strong attachment to their favorite humans? This little furball is no exception. By holding on to its owner's arm, this kitty is not just snuggling, but creating a bond and showing trust in their favorite human. Who's your cat's favorite person?